Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to recreate this messy bun hairstyle on long hair. To start, I've left a little bit of hair out around the face and just clip this out of the way for later on both sides. Then I'm going to take the hair from about the end of the eyebrows and secure this at the crown with a small elastic band. Apply some wax spray to the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at that crown area for some more texture and volume. Now starting on the left hand side, I'm going to take all of the hair from the ear forward and I'm going to pull this to meet the ponytail at the back, and I'm going to hold it with one hand and grab it halfway down and fold it in half to create a loop. Then we're going to do the same on the other side, so take your section, pull it to the back, hold it in your left hand and then fold it to create a loop. And we're going to do the same with the ponytail that's hanging down, so bring it up to your hands and fold it in half and use your other hand to grab it all together. Then we're just going to split that bottom section in half and do the same steps. So bring it up to your hand, fold it into a loop and grab it all with the other hand. Then just do it on that last section, so pull it to that left hand, use your right hand to create your loops and then hold it all together with one hand, so you should have a bunch of loops. Then take another elastic band and just secure it all together. Now all we're going to do is push these little loops towards the head and secure them through the centre with a few bobby pins. This just stops it from flopping around. This doesn't have to be perfect, the messier the better, I think. So work all the way around the outside of the bun until everything seems nice and secure. And if you've got any tail ends left over, like me, all we're going to do is pop a couple of fingers back through that elastic band on the ponytail, grab those tail ends, pass them to your fingers and pull them through. This will create another loop and you can just spread it out with your fingers. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.